This is a tutorial on how to work with matrices using your TI-84 Plus graphing calculator. We are going to enter matrices into calculator and we are going to do some basic operations with matrices. To enter the matrix, you go press second key, press it once, and then press key with X to the -1. And this brings us to the matrix menu with 3 submenus, names, math, and edit. And we need to go to the far right to highlight edit and then press enter. And now we can enter matrix A. Matrices are 1 by 1 in the calculator by default, and we are going to change this to 2 by 2. So hit 2, then enter, then hit 2 again, and hit enter again. And now we can enter the elements. Matrix A has elements 1, -2, 3, and 2, and I'm going to hit enter after entering the numbers. So I have 1, then enter, then -2, then 3, and then again 2. Hit second and then quit or second mode. If you want to see your matrix, you can hit second, matrix, and then you can pick the one you want to see, let's say A, and then hit enter, and then hit enter again, and this is your matrix. Notice that the variables have brackets around them to indicate that they are matrices. So let's enter B and C. I'm going to hit second and matrix again, go to edit, pick matrix B, hit enter, and then again change into 2 by 2. So 2, enter 2, hit enter again, and then enter the elements. 5, enter 4, 0, and -1. And let's enter matrix C. Second matrix, go to edit, pick matrix C, hit enter again, change into 2 by 2, and enter elements. -3, 6, -1, and 0. And now we have all 3 matrices in our calculator. You can hit second and quit. Now that we have all 3 matrices in the calculator, let's perform some mathematical operations. Let's see how to add 2 matrices. We have A plus B. So first hit second and then matrix, and then pick matrix A, hit enter, and then plus sign, and then again second matrix, and then pick matrix B, hit enter once and once more. And then we have our sum of 2 matrices. If you want to subtract, second matrix, pick matrix B first, then hit minus, then second matrix, pick matrix C, hit enter once, and hit enter once again. And then you have B minus C. If you want to multiply matrix by a number, you can do like this: 3 times, and then pick matrix A, and hit enter. And now all 4 elements are multiplied by 3. If you want to divide matrix by a number, let's say by 2, you first have to convert division into multiplication. So you cannot divide, you can only multiply. So instead of dividing by 2, we are going to multiply by 0.5. First, we are going to pick our matrix B. Then we have times 0.5 and then hit enter. As you can see, we have 2 numbers or 2 elements in this matrix that are decimal numbers. If you want to convert those into fractions, hit math. Fraction is already highlighted. Hit enter once and hit enter once more. And then we will have elements as fractions. How to multiply 2 matrices? Simply pick one matrix, let's say A, then hit times, then second matrix again, pick matrix B, and hit enter twice. And now you have the product of 2 matrices. Your calculator can also help you to find the inverse matrix. So let's see how to do this. Hit second, then matrix, then pick your matrix A, because that's what we want to find here. Hit enter, and then hit this x to the -1 button, and then hit enter again. And this is your inverse matrix. If you want to convert decimals to fractions, hit math, fraction is already highlighted, and hit enter twice. You can also perform multiple operations with matrices. Let's say we want a to the -1 times b plus c. So let's pick matrix A first, then hit x to the -1, then times, open parenthesis, pick matrix B, plus, and then again pick matrix C. Close parenthesis and hit enter. And again, you can convert decimals into fractions. And finally, let's see how to find determinant of a matrix. Hit second, then matrix, then go to math submenu, and then pick the first one, determinant. Hit enter, and then we are going to pick matrix A. Second matrix, A is already highlighted, hit enter, close parenthesis, and then hit enter again, and then you will get your determinant.